Hi, this is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Set Permission Rights node. If you don't know what a Set Permission Rights node is, make sure you check out the previous video titled Understanding the Set Permission Rights node. Let's jump in. Drag a Set Permission Rights node into your workspace. Double-click it to display its Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field, choose your Catenis virtual device. This should be the controlling device. Click on the Event drop-down menu and then select the event which you wish to set event permissions rights for. On the System Rights drop-down field, select either Allow or Deny based on which right you want to set. Wire this node to a debug node if you wish to see the output of the node printed on the debug sidebar. Otherwise, the output from this node can be passed into another node on this flow. Next, drag and drop an Inject node into the Node-RED workspace. Wire the Inject node to the Set Permission Rights node, then double-click the Inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. Alter the information in the Inject node's Properties slide-out panel by selecting the drop-down Payload field and choose the JSON type. An ellipse button will appear to the right of the field. Click this ellipse button to display a JSON edit box. Enter the JSON information you wish to pass as input to the Catenis node. For example, something like this, but using your own device ID. Click the Done button. Then, click the Done button again to exit the Properties dialog box. Click Deploy. Now let's test the flow. Click the button on the left of the Inject node to send the input from the Inject node through the flow. The debug sidebar should display the returned JSON object containing the API call results to the right side of the workspace. Great work! Now that you know how to create a flow using the Set Permission Rights node in runtime mode, it's time to move on to our next tutorial, where you'll learn how to use this node in interactive mode.